Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide, and the demand for AI professionals is at an all-time high. If you're considering a career in AI but are unsure which path to take, this guide breaks down the top 7 AI careers, detailing their responsibilities, required skills, and key qualifications. 1. Machine Learning Engineer. Responsibilities: design, build, and deploy machine learning models. Develop intelligent systems that learn from data inputs. Optimize algorithms for performance and scalability. Skills: proficiency in programming languages like Python, R, or Java. Experience with machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. Strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. 2. AI Engineer. Responsibilities: design, develop, and implement AI models and applications. Ensure AI systems integrate smoothly with existing infrastructure. Collaborate with software engineers and data scientists to optimize AI models. Skills: expertise in Python, R, or Java. Hands-on experience with AI libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Strong knowledge of statistics, mathematics, and machine learning techniques. 3. Data Scientist. Responsibilities: analyze massive datasets to extract meaningful insights. Use AI-driven models to support business decision-making. Develop data pipelines and implement machine learning algorithms. Skills: proficiency in Python or R, familiarity with data visualization tools like Tableau or D3.js. Strong understanding of machine learning, big data technologies, Hadoop, Spark, and statistical analysis. 4. AI Research Scientist. Responsibilities: conduct advanced research on AI technologies, algorithms, and techniques. Develop novel AI solutions and improve existing frameworks. Publish research papers and contribute to academic advancements in AI. Skills: deep expertise in machine learning and AI frameworks, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. Strong mathematical and statistical foundation. Specialization in AI subdomains such as computer vision, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning. 5. Robotics Engineer. Responsibilities: design, build, and program intelligent robotic systems. Integrate AI-driven solutions into robotics for automation. Work with sensors, actuators, and control systems. Skills: proficiency in Python, C++, or Java. Experience with robotic operating systems, ROS. Strong knowledge of physics, engineering principles, and machine learning algorithms. 6. Computer Vision Engineer. Responsibilities: develop AI-powered systems that interpret and analyze visual data. Create algorithms for object recognition, facial recognition, and image processing. Optimize visual AI models for real-world applications. Skills: expertise in Python, C++, or Java. Experience with computer vision libraries like OpenCV or TensorFlow. Strong grasp of deep learning techniques and mathematical concepts. 7. Natural Language Processing, NLP, Engineer. Responsibilities: develop AI systems that can understand, interpret, and generate human language. Work on chatbots, voice assistants, and text analysis applications. Optimize language models for accuracy and efficiency. Skills: proficiency in Python, Java, or C++. Experience with NLP frameworks like NLTK, Gensum, and Spacy. Strong foundation in linguistics, machine learning, and statistics. AI is revolutionizing the way we work, and careers in artificial intelligence are both rewarding and in high demand. Whether you are drawn to developing intelligent robots, training AI models, or conducting cutting-edge research, there is an AI career path for you. Building a solid foundation in programming, mathematics, and machine learning is key to success in any AI role. Choose your specialization, gain expertise, and step into the future of technology.